Stocks in the deep. We have SVRE, LWLG, MASK, ASTI, and ARBB. SVRE down 47.46%. Okay. Historically highly volatile. Okay. Above average volume of shares have crossed the tape. It's currently trading at a discount to its volume weighted average price. That price is $2.6. Okay, so it seems it was pumped up yesterday. Yeah, it seems, and they have gone now to raise. They are reselling some hundreds of millions of shares. Before now, the float was really tiny, like way less than possibly just let's just say 350,000 shares. But they have taken advantage of the pump that happened. It began on the 3rd of December. Yeah, they've taken advantage of that to resell more shares, and the extrapolation is saying that yeah, this weakness we are looking at right now may go on up till the 30th of December. Okay, but momentum is the algo seems to be suggesting that momentum might pick up from the 30th of this or 30th or 31st of December. Well, I don't exactly know what could warrant what could possibly warrant that. Okay, so we can just confirm that it may be it's contracting, yes, amongst other things. From the 4 hour chart, let's see. Yeah, it was yesterday was pumped. It, yeah, yesterday it was at 3.54, so it's now contracting all of that now. LWLG down 20.82%. Okay, volume so far I think is 6x of its volume weighted up. I mean, 50-day average. Okay, let's see now. LWLG. Okay, based on the 4 hour chart, consolidation is expected going all the way towards the 26th of December. The 40 period moving average is also expected to continue to decline to ensure that no bounce or any bounce will be curtailed or moderated. Okay, projections are saying $3.62, a premium to the current levels, and and also it's a 50-day average as well, or rather, it's a volume weighted average price. Okay, momentum is expected to build up from now, going all the way towards the 18th of December. Okay, let's see whether there's any news. Lightweight logic. Let's see, lightweight on pace for the. Let's see. Okay, on pace for the largest percentage decrease since December of 2024. Okay, priced $35 million on public offering. Okay, yeah. Let's just quickly glance at its daily chart. Okay, underlying trend strongly bullish as well. So the stock has been contracting. Yeah, I would say the expansion. Okay, let's just say the expansion that ended on the 9th of October and was retested. There was an attempt to retest it, and it failed as of the 10th of November. So since the 10th of November, it's been on a contraction, has just continued to maintain it, and the algo seems to be suggesting that it may continue to do so. So more of a distributive contraction is expected, just as it has been up till at least the 28th of January. The 40-day moving average is also expected to continue to decline to prevent any to make sure that that is what will happen. Okay, projections are saying 3.17 to the upside and 2.7 to the downside. Previous projections as of Friday the 12th include 3.95, 5.53, 6.20, 6.61. On the daily chart here, projection, I mean, momentum is expected to, remain well stable, but just fluctuating from time to time. Stable, yeah. Well, fluctuating from time to time, yes. MASK down 23.73%. Okay. Surely today's volume will be way above average. Okay. Highly volatile as well, historically. MASK, let's find out what's going on with MASK. Okay, has not been around that long, but underlying trend has formed. Okay, severely bearish. Okay, there's no news. Okay, let's see whether we can get something from its 4-hour chart. Yeah, on the 4-hour chart, we have an extrapolation. Okay, so it's more of a distributive contraction that is, what has been in place since, yeah, it's been in place out, let's just say since the 19th of November. So, yeah, more of it is expected. Yesterday, or was it Friday? Friday, it's expanded massively. Yeah, and so the contraction of that expansion is what is going on right now. Did we see anything? Well, okay, for some reason we didn't see anything there on the daily chart. So the company signed a master services agreement with Orca Technologies. That was yesterday. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, I mean, may have been why it expanded yesterday. Was it yesterday? No, it expanded on Friday. Yeah, on Friday. Well, that was that was the day it expanded. I'm tempted to find out what the float is. Okay. AI data center partnership with Orca Technologies sparked intraday surge exceeding 70%. That was okay. That's old news now. Yeah. So float is quite small. Yeah, but not. I mean, we're all used to floats of below below 1 million. So 3.5 million doesn't look like a low float anymore. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. A distributive contraction is expected, but before then, the algo seems to be suggesting that it might spike again today. Okay, so projections are saying here 0.6548. Okay, yeah, momentum is expected to continue to just remain volatile. Yeah, I may attempt to pick up when it after declining from the 22nd of December. ASTI are down 14.87%. Okay, yesterday speculation linking theme film solar tech to SpaceX. SpaceX's orbital AI data center fueled the 30% intraday surge. That was yesterday. Float is okay, also quite small. Yeah. ASTI here again. Okay, let's see what we have on its 4 hour chart. Yeah, okay, that was it got an expansion. Began to expand on Monday. It began to expand on 21st of November. Yeah, took it to a high gear from Monday the 8th. Okay, so it's contracting that expansion, and the algo seems to be suggesting that it might continue up till the 26th of December. So the 40 period moving average also rising to moderate this contraction. Yeah, yeah, that's what's going on because it has shown a lot of strength. The 40 period moving average is still going to continue to rise to offer some support. Yeah, so it has a decent amount of support coming in. The 10 period moving average is also acting more as one now. But in any case, yeah, okay, the algo seems to be suggesting that it might bounce again. And by today, okay, has it bounced today? No. By the end of today's trading session, it has shown some, it has pulled back, pulled up somewhat. You can see that it may not be that clear. It has recovered somewhat. Yeah. But after that, from the close of today's trading session, it may continue. The downtrend may resume. That's what is being extrapolated here. But the market hasn't closed today, so by the end of today's trading session, we still have, I think, up to 2 hours. Yeah, yeah, we still have up to 3 hours. No, no, no. Yeah, do we have? I mean, what time do we have left? Yeah, up to 3 hours. Yeah, so yeah. ASTI, let's see what we have down here. Okay, so yeah, here on the daily chart, on the line trend is bullish. Okay, yeah, the algo seems to be suggesting that it might bounce again up and retest this 52-week high of 4.18 by Friday the 19th. That's this week. And then after that, contraction may resume. The 40-day moving average on the daily chart is also expected to rise to moderate any attempt to contract, to moderate any pullback that may be building up. But momentum is not expected to remain strong. It's expected to continue to dissipate. Yeah, it was halted yesterday twice. Yeah, ARBB down 16.55%. High volatility. ARBB underlying trend is new bearish. Okay, it's expected to uh, consolidate all within yeah, from now at least up till the 29th of December. So for now, lower price is expected to keep printing up to Friday the 19th. Then maybe from the 22nd, they might attempt to bounce again to retest yesterday's Friday's rejection. Yeah. Okay, projections are currently saying now, let's see what we have. 8.37, 9.57, 10.32. Yeah, previous projections include 11.35 as well as 20.15, 22.50. Momentum is expected to pick up after declining up towards the end of tomorrow's trading session. Then from Thursday the 18th, expected to pick up and then peak by Friday the 2nd of January. Okay, halted yesterday a couple of times. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.